Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. So after a long time again, I'm talking about Polygon Matic, guys. That what's going on in the Polygon? What surprise changes occur? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, if you're new on my channel or if you don't subscribe, ABS Tech channel, so kindly click the subscribe button right now for more news and update videos. At this time, guys, if we talk about the currently price of Polygon Matic, so 1.21 USD dollar, that is the right now price of Polygon Matic in the market. Other side, if we took the changes update of Polygon, so negative 0.09% changes occur in the Polygon. Unfortunately, just in latest situation, the last 60-minute update is negative. Other side, if you look the changes, last 1 day change is also positive 1.66%, guys. In last 1 week change is also negative 7.57% negative. So very soon, guys, these changes will become positive and they will make you millionaire, guys. So just hold, guys, just hold. And this time, guys, if we look the changes updates, so negative 3.4% changes occur in last 1 week, guys. Still in the October, guys, still Polygon is going in the lows. Polygon is going in the lows, guys. So guys, you know what, if you're a long-term holder, so there's not a mistake for all of you to sell. No, never decide to sell in right now situation. I recommend, my personal suggestion for all of you is that you guys, you know what, it's the last week of October, possibilities that the price pump, it's the last week of October, guys. So just wait to the last week, just wait, guys. Anyways, now what's your personal opinion? Also share in the comment box. And guys, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell, or hold any crypto, any coin, so please do your own research. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.